Could the sun explode? It's one of those questions that's so mind-bogglingly awesome that it's kept me up at night wondering. And in today's video, I want to answer just how and why the sun could explode. If you like optimistic science and tech stories, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. So the sun won't explode in the way most people think. It won't explode because something goes boom and the Earth gets flung into outer space. But there is a very real possibility that the sun could go supernova. A supernova is when a star explodes, not figuratively, but literally. The star's core gets so hot and dense that all of a sudden it does a massive release of energy, releasing an incredible amount of light and heat. The reason this happens is because the star has used up most of its hydrogen fuel and the core has started to collapse in on itself. This collapse makes the outer layers of the star expand dramatically before they are thrown off into space. The energy released during this process is immense, far greater than anything we have on Earth. So if the sun were to go supernova, would that be the end of the Earth? Well, no. Our sun will never go supernova. That's because our sun isn't big enough. Only stars that are at least 8 times bigger than our sun have the ability to go supernova. And even then, only some of those stars actually do. So while the sun won't explode, there is a slim chance it could go supernova. But the odds are very much in our favor. But why does the sun have the ability to do this? Stars produce energy by fusing hydrogen into helium in their cores. The more mass a star has, the greater the pressure and temperature at its core. This means that stars with more mass can fuse hydrogen into helium at a faster rate, which means they burn through their fuel quicker. Massive stars go through their fuel so fast that at the end of their lives, they collapse in on themselves, creating a supernova. The sun, on the other hand, is relatively small. It doesn't burn through its fuel that quickly. In fact, the sun is so small that it will literally run out of hydrogen fuel in about 10 billion years from now. At that point, the sun will become a white dwarf, slowly cooling down over the next trillion years or so. But until then, we're pretty safe. So don't worry, the sun won't explode anytime soon. But if you'd like to learn more about our amazing universe, make sure to subscribe to my channel.